A React application is a set of reusable components. Components are just like functions. They take input and they output a description of a user interface in the form of a React element. The React DOM library enables us to render those React elements in the browser, and it will re-render them for us automatically when their in-memory state changes. To accomplish this, we write the component's markup using the React JavaScript API. Writing HTML in JavaScript is a lot different than what we're used to, but luckily React has a way to write the virtual DOM in a syntax very close to the HTML syntax we're used to. This special React syntax is called JSX. Once we have the virtual DOM description in JSX, we can pre-transform it to valid React API calls before shipping it to the browser. Browsers do not have to deal with JSX. The input for a component is a set of properties you can access inside the component with its first argument object, which is usually named props, and also a set of state elements that a component can hook into with the special useState function. A component state can be changed inside that component, and every time a component changes its state, React re-renders it. The props of a component cannot be changed by the component, but the whole component can be re-rendered with different props by the component's parent. The syntax to mount a React component in a browser is React DOM.render, and that takes two arguments, the component to render and the HTML element to hold the React rendered markup. React also comes with normalized events that work across all browsers in a standard way. We've seen the onClick event handler in this course module, and there are other onSomething events like onChange and onSubmit and many others. React actually has two types of components, function and class components. We've only seen function components, but I'll be covering class components in future videos as well. However, before we start another application on React, let's get you comfortable with all the modern JavaScript syntax that's usually used in the React ecosystem. That's our next course module.